Today, we will be unboxing and reviewing the highly anticipated OnePlus Ace 3. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, we are greeted with the stunning OnePlus Ace 3, featuring a sleek and modern design. The phone feels comfortable in hand, thanks to its slim profile and premium build quality. Moving on to the display, the phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate 6.78-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 2780 by 1264 pixels. The display color is more vibrant and sharp. Under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse. OnePlus Ace 3 is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It comes with 12 GB of RAM. The performance is smooth and responsive, allowing for seamless multitasking and gaming. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus Ace 3 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor with an f/2.4 aperture. As you can see, pictures is quite impressive and clear. On the software side, the OnePlus Ace 3 runs ColorOS 14.0, is based on Android 14 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with a range of customization options for a personalized experience. The battery life of the OnePlus Ace 3 is exceptional. It packs a 5500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, supports SuperVOOC fast charging. In conclusion, the OnePlus Ace 3 impresses with its design, performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone at a more affordable price point, this could be the perfect device for you.